Hi guys, I'm Alwin and welcome back to our channel. Details and colors are two essential elements in the surveillance monitoring. They can be used to detect and recognize targets to prevent any possible incidents or events. In this video, we're going to unbox an intelligent camera that can capture clear and vivid images even in dark environment. Introducing the upgraded Dahua Full-color 2.0 4K network camera. So here's the camera that we're going to cover today. You can see its model number right here. This camera belongs to the full-color series, that's why its packaging is the same as the Dahua HDVI camera that we have featured in this channel before. If you haven't seen that video, the link is in the description below. As you can see, the brand new packaging of the full-color series has a very rich and vibrant colors, which reflects people's pursuit of colors in life. It is equipped with UV technology that significantly enhances its durability and anti-corrosion capability. And if you turn to this side right here, you'll see the 4K logo, which means that this camera can capture images with 4K resolution. If that amazes you, wait till you see the product inside. Let's open it. Here's the box. Let's see what's inside. Inside, you'll see the camera and some accessories. It includes the legal and regulatory information booklet, the installation guide, the QR code of downloadable documents, an L-shaped hexagon screwdriver, some screws, a waterproof connector, and the installation precision map. Let's put it aside. And let's proceed to camera. As you can see, it's neatly wrapped with plastic wrapper. The dimension of this camera is 288.4 millimeters in length, 94.4 millimeters in width, and 84.7 millimeters in height. Its net weight is 1 kilogram. It's housed in a metal casing and it has an ingress protection rating of IP67. Also, the camera itself is equipped with 4 smart LEDs. Its built-in mic, speaker can be used for two-way talk, allowing users to talk to the person in front of the camera. In addition to these amazing hardware features, this camera also produces 4K color images. Want to see it in action? Check this out. This camera has 1/1.2 inch image sensor. Compared with 1/1.8 inches, this image sensor significantly increases the pixel size by 110%, allowing it to capture real-time 4K color images even in low-light environment. A 4K color image presents high image definition and vivid color information. Compared with 1/1.8 inch CMOS camera, the full-color 2.0 1/1.2 inch CMOS camera boasts a 42% increase in brightness and 400% increase in sound-noise ratio. This camera also comes with amazing AI functions, perimeter protection, people counting, AI schedule, smart motion detection or SMD. Overall, this upgraded Dahua Full-color 2.0 4K network camera is an ideal choice for those looking for clear and vibrant images in their surveillance monitoring, with added bonus of AI functions. Its 4K resolution effectively captures rich and color details of the monitored scene even under low light condition or during nighttime, which is perfect for a variety of application scenarios such as villas, parking lots, and retail stores. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Alwin. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon below to get notified every time we post a new update. And also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. And stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.